Hey guys, so today I'm going to show you guys how I keep the sides of my hair from sticking out using a Downperm product from a company called DPERM. For those that don't know what a Downperm is, it's basically a way of keeping the sides of your hair from being too puffy. This is a super popular technique that a lot of salons use, but a lot of people don't know that you can actually do the same technique at home using a product that's pretty affordable. Having the sides of your hair stick out is a problem that a lot of guys face regardless of their hair type, and I think a Downperm is a really affordable and simple solution that can help address this problem. For those that have been following my channel for a while, you guys know that my natural hair texture is actually not curly, but it's quite straight. But you guys might not know that the sides of my hair do stick out as it grows out. As it grows out from the sides, it doesn't look so good, and it takes a lot of time to actually style it to make sure that it flattens out. As you can see from this footage of myself, you can see that the sides of my hair is sticking out as my hair grew out. I find getting a haircut just to trim the sides to be kind of a waste of time and a waste of money, just to go to a salon just because your sides are a little bit messy. So a Downperm, in my opinion, is a really great way to extend the life of a haircut. So the product that I've been using lately for my Downperm is from a Canadian company called DPERM, and it's super easy to use. I think their formulation is from Korea, but it is a Canadian-based company. So how do you use this product? First off, you start off with dry hair, and you apply the serum, a really generous amount, and you evenly distribute it to the sides of your hair. It comes with a black comb, and then you basically use the brush to distribute the product to the sides of your hair. And then you go in and use a comb to comb it thoroughly so that it is evenly distributed. I'd like to emphasize that you should use a really generous amount of product, especially if it's your first time using a product like this. Luckily, DPERM comes with a really generous amount of product, so you don't really have to feel like you're being wasteful. Make sure you evenly distribute the product to both sides of your hair, and even the back if you wish to do so. Next, you use these end papers. I'll show you guys what it looks like. And you stick them to the sides of your hair. And the next step is pretty much the easiest step. You simply chill out for at least 25 minutes, and you lie down on the side and then just get a towel and then cover your pillow with it, and then you lie on the side of your head, and you want to just wait and apply pressure for at least 25 minutes on each side. After you've done this on both sides, you basically pop into the shower and you wash the product off. Really important that you don't use shampoo after you apply this product. Just wash it off with water. You also want to wait at least 12 hours before using shampoo. After you pop out from the shower, you're going to notice instant results pretty much. Your hair is going to be instantly flat, and you're going to see results right away, which I love. Who doesn't like instant results? What I love about this is that it makes styling your hair so much easier in the morning, and it saves you a bunch of time. I also like to bring up the fact that this product, the results last for more than 3 weeks. You don't have to repeat it in that time. The results stay consistent even when you use shampoo. You just have to make sure not to shampoo for 12 hours. Now, this technique does come from Asian salons, and I've gotten it done in Korea myself. I don't think that this product is exclusive for Asian hair types. I think everybody can use this product regardless of their hair type or their race. I also think this is a really great product for when you're growing your hair out for the first time, because your hair can look very messy as you try to grow it out, especially the sides. So this is a really great way to kind of keep the sides neat without cutting it. What makes DPERM different from other Downperm products I've used is that they paid a lot of attention to the formulation. First off, it smells way better than any other Downperm product that I've ever used. It doesn't smell as chemically or as strong as other products. Also, what I love about DPERM is that this product neutralizes just with oxygen. You don't need a separate product as a neutralizer, which is very clever. It saves you a lot of time. Finally, the amount of product that they give you is very generous. This is enough for at least 3 to 4 treatments for most hair lengths. And luckily for you guys, if you guys are interested in this product, they are offering my viewers an exclusive discount code right over here. And you can find the product details and where to order it in the description box below. Overall, I would highly recommend this product. It's a really great, simple solution to kind of fix a really common problem. In any case, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you did, please give me a thumbs up and let me know, do you guys suffer from your sides of your hair sticking out? I'd be curious to hear that. in any case, I'll catch you guys in my next video.